Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to heal your teammate within the Far Cry 5 game. So let's get started right away. Now, whenever you are playing the Far Cry 5 game, you have the option to recruit various different characters as your guns for hire, and you also have various different pets, which are known as fangs for hire, that will fight alongside your corner with any enemies that you may run into. Now, whenever you are engaged in battle with enemies, your teammates, known as your guns for hire, as well as your fangs for hire or pets, might get injured, and they will not be able to help you. So in this case, before their health runs completely out, just approach this companion and you will now see the E button, which you can press to revive them. You can simply press and hold this button, and this will now revive your teammate right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to heal and revive your teammate on the Far Cry 5 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.